So it's almost that time I'm going to start doing duck date videos again because A, warmer weather, but B, more ducks. That's Louie, the lone survivor. Bear with me here as we cut to the noobs. Well, you can't see it there because they just went under their little heating brooder, but got some ducks today. 3 golden 300s, and took to the water very quickly. Food not so much, so I had to give them a little bowl of it to make it much more obvious. And quite honestly, it's been about 2 hours, maybe just 1.5, and they only just started using this little heater, so they're figuring their way out in the world. Terrified of me, the big giant, so we've got to do some socializing. Don't mind my camping stuff. I don't want to traumatize them too much yet. Actually, after this video, I'm going to be giving them individual time with me so that they can get used to being away from each other, used to being around me. And they like to huddle together though for safety right now. I scared them out from under the brooder. And my dog is just on watch. Already making sure that the cats aren't taking out the chicks. Ain't that right, Joro? Sit.